The Sony A7V has quickly become one of the most talked about cameras of 2025, even before its official announcement, thanks to a series of credible leaks that reveal what could be the biggest generational leap in Sony's full-frame mirrorless lineup since the groundbreaking A7 III. The A7 series has always represented the perfect balance between performance, portability, and affordability, aimed at professionals and enthusiasts who need a hybrid tool that excels at both photography and video. Now, the 5th generation A7 is shaping up to be the most impressive release yet, with a major sensor upgrade, refined design, and next-level computational features that could redefine what photographers and filmmakers expect from a mid-tier full-frame camera. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. These leaks, while not officially confirmed, paint a compelling picture of a camera that doesn't just iterate on its predecessor, but rather makes bold strides that bring flagship-level technology into a more accessible package. At the heart of the Sony A7V leaks is the news of a brand new 33-megapixel stacked BSI CMOS sensor, a significant improvement over the traditional BSI sensor found in the A7 IV. This stacked sensor architecture has already proven its worth in higher-end Sony models like the A1 and A9 III, offering dramatically faster readout speeds, reduced rolling shutter, and enhanced dynamic range. Bringing that level of technology into the A7 series is a big deal, because it means more photographers and videographers will have access to near-flagship performance without paying flagship prices. Faster sensor readout translates directly into cleaner 4K and 6K video, improved burst shooting speeds, and superior autofocus tracking accuracy. Early reports suggest that the A7V could shoot up to 20 frames per second with continuous AF and AE tracking, a figure that was once reserved only for Sony's top-tier professional cameras. For sports, wildlife, and action photographers, this could make the A7V one of the most versatile tools on the market. Video performance is another area where the Sony A7V is rumored to shine. The leaks indicate that the camera will be capable of recording 6K oversampled video down to pristine 4K at up to 60 frames per second, with internal 10-bit 4:2:2 color depth. Not only does this match the needs of serious content creators and independent filmmakers, but it also makes the A7V a future-proof choice for professionals who want cinematic quality without needing to step up to the much more expensive FX or A1 series. On top of this, the A7V is expected to support 4K/120p slow-motion recording, giving creators an immense amount of flexibility in post-production. These upgrades directly address some of the biggest criticisms of the A7 IV, which, while excellent, had noticeable limitations when it came to slow-motion performance and rolling shutter artifacts. With a stacked sensor at its core, the A7V eliminates many of these problems, bringing smooth, detailed, and highly flexible video capture to a wider audience. The autofocus system is also getting a significant overhaul. Sony has long been a leader in AI-driven autofocus, and leaks suggest the A7V will integrate the next-generation AI processing unit first introduced in the Sony A7RV. This means improved real-time recognition of subjects including humans, animals, birds, cars, trains, and even insects. The AI can track subjects with higher precision and greater reliability, even in challenging environments with low light or distracting backgrounds. This is a huge leap for both photographers and videographers, since accurate autofocus